The world is a tapestry woven with the threads of human effort, each strand representing countless hours of labor and dedication. From the moment our ancestors first picked up tools, labor has been the driving force shaping our civilizations, molding the very essence of our societies. It's the force behind every monument, every city, and every comfort we enjoy. The sweat and toil of countless individuals have laid the groundwork for our modern world. Think of the pyramids of Giza, standing tall across millennia, a testament to the ingenuity and perseverance of ancient builders. Each stone tells a story of sweat, toil, and the unwavering dedication of countless hands. These stones are more than just building blocks, they are the embodiment of human spirit and effort. The Taj Mahal, a poem in marble, whispers of the artisans who poured their hearts into every intricate detail. Their craftsmanship has immortalized their labor in the annals of history. The soaring heights of the Burj Khalifa, a testament to modern engineering, stand as a tribute to the men and women who dared to defy gravity. Their courage and innovation have pushed the boundaries of what is possible. These iconic structures are not just feats of architecture, but enduring symbols of the power of human labor. They remind us of the incredible achievements that can be realized through collective effort. These monuments, scattered across continents and time, serve as a stark reminder. We are indebted to the hands that built our world, to the laborers whose efforts have shaped the course of human history. The nature of work has transformed over centuries. We've moved from the back-breaking toil of ancient construction to the complex machinery of modern factories. The Industrial Revolution roared through history, forever changing the landscape of labor. Today, offices hum with the quiet focus of computers and keyboards, yet the essence remains unchanged. It's the dedication of everyday people, their commitment to building, creating, and serving that keeps the wheels of the world turning. Look around you. Every product you touch, every structure you enter, every service you rely on, they all bear the invisible fingerprints of laborers. The roads we travel, the bridges we cross, the food on our tables, all are products of tireless effort. Farmers rise before dawn, coaxing life from the soil. Factory workers keep the production lines moving, their synchronized movements a testament to their skill. Construction workers brave heights and elements, piecing together the skeleton of our cities. These are the unsung heroes of our time, the backbone of our global society. Section 4. The quiet strength of service. Labor is not confined to the roar of factories or the dust of construction sites. It extends far beyond these traditional images. It's also found in the quiet strength of those who serve, often unnoticed and uncelebrated. The nurses and doctors working tirelessly to heal the sick, providing care and comfort in times of need. The teachers nurturing young minds, shaping the future with patience and dedication. The firefighters rushing toward danger. Their work is no less demanding, no less essential, and often heroic. Every act of service, no matter how small, contributes to the intricate web of our shared existence, creating a tapestry of support and care. It's the bus driver ensuring safe passage day in and day out, the sanitation worker maintaining hygiene, keeping our streets clean and safe, the cashier offering a friendly smile, making everyday transactions a bit brighter. It's the countless acts of kindness and hard work that hold our communities together, creating bonds that are unbreakable. Section 5. A salute to the hands that build. Today we celebrate Labor Day, a day to pause and acknowledge the immeasurable contributions of workers worldwide. From the bustling cities to the quiet countryside, every worker plays a vital role in shaping our society. It's a day to reflect on the value of hard work, dedication, and the pursuit of a better life. The sweat and toil of countless individuals have paved the way for progress and innovation. To the workers of the past, your legacy inspires us. Your sacrifices and perseverance have laid the groundwork for the freedoms and opportunities we enjoy today. Your blood, sweat, and tears built the foundation upon which we stand. Every brick laid, every field plowed, and every invention crafted has contributed to our shared history. To the workers of the present, your resilience and commitment keep our world running. In times of crisis and calm, your efforts ensure that society continues to thrive. We see you, we value you, we thank you. Your daily contributions often go unnoticed, but they are the backbone of our communities. And to the workers of the future, we look forward to the world you will build. Your fresh ideas and energy will drive the next wave of progress and innovation. May your endeavors be met with fairness, dignity, and the recognition you deserve. Let us strive to create a world where every worker is valued and respected, for it is through the hands of labor that humanity writes its story. Each hand tells a tale of dedication, skill, and the relentless pursuit of a better tomorrow.